welcome to the local host lab. And today we'll be solving this Leetcode-205 isomorphic strings. So first let's understand what the question is and then we'll look at the Java solution for it. So we have been given two strings S and T and we have to determine if they are isomorphic or not. So what is isomorphic? So if two strings are isomorphic, then their characters in S can be replaced to get T. All occurrences of a character must be replaced with another character while preserving the order of characters. No two characters may map to the same character, but a character may map to itself. Okay. So if we have been given egg as S and T as add, it becomes true. How? E can be mapped to A and G can be mapped to D and they form a pattern, same pattern. But here we can't. Here it is same. See, PAPER. So P can be mapped to T, A can be mapped to I. So again we have T. So the pattern stays true. Then we have E, which can be mapped to L, and R, which can be mapped to E. So this is a true scenario. So both these strings are isomorphic. So and what are the constraints? S dot length, okay, and T dot length. So this is always given, okay, okay. So what we can do is the first intuition, the first thing that comes to my mind is using a map, okay. So let's see how we can do so. So I'll take a map where I'll store character, character, and let's give it a map new um, hash map and will iterate. Okay, int I equal to 0, I less than, we can take any, so we'll just take s dot length. See, it's given both the lengths are same, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so s dot length and I plus plus. Okay, now we have to iterate, so I'll take a character char c1 is equal to s dot char at I. So we have the this one. So let's take this out. So we have e here. Okay, now we'll take the character a. Okay, char c2 is equal to t dot char at I. ठीक है, it's looking fine, and then we have to do certain validations. So if map dot contains key, if, see, I'm keeping c1 as the key and c2 as the value in the map. Okay, so we'll check with c1. You can do opposite also, it doesn't matter. If map contains key, we'll do another validation. Key, if map dot get, get what, get c1 is not equal to c2, then we can surely say they are not isomorphic, right? So this will return false. True. Then we'll check another condition. uh, what if the map does contains the value? So see, there could be two scenarios. If c1 is in the map, okay, and we are checking what is the value of the c1 in the map. If it's not equal to c2, we are extracting same character from both these strings, right? We are extracting e, we are extracting a. And if they are not equal, if they already exist in the map, if they are not equal, then we are returning false. So it will become true in this case. See, if p already exists in the map, first time when we iterate, we'll put p. Okay, let me write the full code, then you'll understand better. So if map dot contains, here we have to check on the value, map the value. So if map dot contains value c2, if it contains the value c2, so this will return, we can simply say return false. I'll explain why. I'll explain you why. Just give me a minute. Or else we'll just simply put the characters into the map. And if after all this, if everything is fine, we can simply say it's true. This should work, hopefully. No, it doesn't work. If map dot contains, why it doesn't work? Okay, the spelling is wrong. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, the code works. Now let's understand what I did here. So suppose let's take example of paper. Okay, we are doing dry run. Understand the code. Okay, so we have extracted the character. So P and T. This is the first iteration. So map is empty. Does map contain this? No, it doesn't. So it will come into else. Yeah, if map contains no, it doesn't. So we will put. So we'll put P and T. Okay. Then we'll go to A. If map contains no, this will also become false. So we'll put A and I. Now we'll check if map contains C1. Yes, it does contain P. It does contain P. And if the value of map, so this will have C, P and this will have T. If map dot get P not equal to 2, this condition will become false. It will come out. Okay? So this if is already executed. So this will be skipped. And we are returning true. So this is the code. I hope you understood. And if you have any doubts, you can drop it in the comments and I'll get